Welcome to our deep dive into the cutting edge of AI. Today we're exploring the top trending open source MCP servers this week, alongside other incredible AI agent projects and platforms, from low-code development with Coze Studio, to transforming your terminal into an AI copilot with Grok CLI, and even connecting AI to live trading via Composer Trade MCP. These tools are redefining how we interact with autonomous AI. Get ready to see how these open-source innovations are making powerful AI more accessible and actionable than ever before. Project number 1, Coze Studio, open-source low-code platform for building AI agents. Today we're diving into Coze Studio, ByteDance's open-source visual platform that makes building AI agents easier and faster than ever. What truly sets this tool apart is its all-in-one low-code environment that combines prompt engineering, retrieval augmented generation, RAG, plugins, and workflow orchestration under one roof. That means you can design, debug, and deploy fully functional AI agents and workflows, all using drag-and-drop visuals rather than writing tons of code. The standout lies in how complete the platform is. It ships with pre-built templates and orchestration frameworks, so you can go from idea to deployed agent in minutes. Want a chatbot, a support assistant, or an intelligent workflow tool? Just pick a template, customize it visually, plug in your logic, and publish. No deep coding required. Under the hood, it's built with enterprise power and flexibility in mind. The backend is engineered in Go for high concurrency and performance. The front end uses React plus TypeScript and follows microservices architecture with domain-driven design, making it scalable and highly customizable for real-world use cases. Beyond core flows, Coze Studio offers a plugin system and knowledge base management. You can easily hook in external APIs or custom plugins and upload documents to create informative agents relying on uploaded knowledge. The workflow engine orchestrates all these pieces visually, making complex logic feel manageable even without programming skills. Finally, Coze Studio is fully Apache 2.0 licensed, meaning commercial use is free, no hidden restrictions, and you're encouraged to extend and contribute to the community. It's already seeing rapid adoption, gaining thousands of GitHub stars within days of launch, a clear sign of its appeal to both developers and teams looking to build agents at scale. All in all, Coze Studio shines because it lowers the barrier to AI agent creation, while offering enterprise-grade architecture, drag-and-drop workflows, plug-in knowledge integration, and free open-source access, all in one polished environment. Project number 2, Grok CLI. The terminal becomes an AI-powered copilot. I'm introducing Grok CLI, a unique open-source tool that transforms your terminal into a conversational AI agent using Grok 3. What sets this project apart is how it blends full Grok intelligence with real capabilities to read, write, and execute, all within your command line. Instead of just answering questions, it acts editing files, running bash commands, refactoring code, and even generating entire application structures from plain English prompt. One big differentiator is the massive context window it supports. Grok CLI can handle codebases far beyond Grok's own 1 million token limit, meaning it can analyze, summarize, and refactor large projects without losing track. And it isn't just passive. Through smart tool selection, the CLI automatically chooses the right commands or file operations based on your request, whether you need to search with ripgrep, open a README, or modify code. Another standout, no heavy LLM frameworks. It talks directly to Grok 3 via API, avoiding bloated abstraction layers. This makes it lightweight, fast, and easier to extend. Plus, it's fully MIT licensed and hackable by design. You can customize prompts, integrate MCP tools like GitHub or project trackers, and tailor its behavior using simple config files like grok.mb. It also features an attractive interactive UI built with ink, bringing modern styling to the terminal experience. And for power users, it supports a headless mode, returning rich JSON structures instead of chat bubbles, perfect for scripting or automation. In short, Grok CLI stands out because it merges conversational AI with real action. It doesn't just tell you what to do, it helps you do it. If you're a developer, DevOps engineer, or enthusiast looking to automate workflows, manage code, or just chat with your terminal like a teammate in plain English, Grok CLI is unlike anything else out there. Project number 3, N8N2 MCP. Convert N8N automations into MCP servers in just 3 clicks. We're talking about N8N2 MCP, an open source tool that turns your existing N8N workflows into fully functional MCP, Model Context Protocol servers, compatible with AI assistants like Claude, Cursor, and Superchain. What makes this tool stand out is its ability to bridge no-code workflow automation and AI seamlessly, with zero programming required. Most workflow tools stay isolated from AI agents, but with N8N2 MCP, you can instantly make any N8N pipeline callable by AI, whether it grabs data, triggers APIs, or orchestrates business logic. The standout feature is its 3-click deployment process. Copy your N8N workflow template or JSON, configure credentials in the UI, and deploy. That's it. You get a live MCP endpoint accessible for AI tools to call. It offers a dual architecture, a browser interface, think agent marketplace for managing templates, uploads credentials and deployment, and an MCP router backend that handles high-performance request routing once your workflow is live. This combo delivers both ease of use and enterprise-level reliability. Another unique strength is open-source transparency. Unlike proprietary platforms, you can self-host, inspect, modify, or extend it freely, making it ideal for teams looking for custom control and flexibility. Imagine your AI assistant not just chatting, but executing real actions like pulling data, sending emails, retrieving analytics by calling your N8N logic. That turns static tasks into intelligent, interactive capabilities. For developers and teams building automation-first experiences, N8N2 MCP empowers you to unlock the power of AI agents backed by real workflows quickly and confidently. So if you want to turn your N8N automations into AI-ready microservices, N8N2 MCP delivers an elegant, no-code, open-source path forward, making your bots more actionable, your logic reusable, and your AI truly agentic. Project number 4, Composer Trade MCP, AI-driven bridge between language models and live trading. In this video, we're exploring Composer Trade MCP, an open-source service that makes trading truly conversational and automated. What makes this project stand out is its unique ability to connect large language models like Claude or Cursor directly to real trading systems, enabling natural language financial strategy creation, backtesting, and live execution, all powered by AI. At its core, Composer Trade MCP is an MCP model context protocol server that transforms AI-driven prompts into actionable trading workflows. You can ask the AI something like, build a crypto strategy with a maximum drawdown of 30%, and the server will craft and backtest the strategy, rebalance portfolios, and even place live trades if desired. That hands-off, chat-based control is what makes it truly unique. Another major differentiator is its multi-strategy, Symphony support. MCP lets LLMs run multiple strategies in parallel, comparing performance side by side in live market. That means you can test several ideas at once, monitor results, and shift capital dynamically based on AI feedback. Not many platforms offer that kind of real-time orchestration through pure language. It also integrates rich technical tools like RSI, moving averages, EMA, and other common indicators. So the generated strategies are well-informed yet generated through dialogue, not code. Backtests can be compared to benchmarks like the S&P 500, right inside the AI prompt loop. Even more powerful, MCP works seamlessly with Claude Desktop using a lightweight extension, .dext file, meaning no heavy installs or complex dev setup. You get fast deployment and AI-powered investing without needing Python expertise. In summary, Composer Trade MCP is unique because it bridges conversational AI and actual trading execution, supports parallel strategy comparison, enables rich backtesting via natural language, and integrates live trade control through an AI interface. If you're covering AI trading agents or modern fintech tools, this GitHub project is a prime example of putting LLMs in the driver's seat. Project number 5, Make It Heavy. Python multi-agent framework emulating Grok heavy deep analysis. We're spotlighting Make It Heavy, a Python-based framework that stands out by simulating Grok-heavy style intelligence using a coordinated multi-agent system. What makes it unique is its ability to launch multiple specialized AI agents in parallel, each tackling a different angle of your query, then intelligently combining their answers into a single, deep, nuanced response. First off, it auto-generates 4 or more research questions from your initial input. Each gets assigned to a dedicated agent, so one might focus on background context, another on contrarian views, a third on verification, and a fourth on emerging insights. This division ensures broad coverage, all orchestrated in real time with live progress bars to show each agent's status. Another standout feature is the hot-swappable tools architecture. Make It Heavy automatically discovers and loads whatever tool you've dropped into its tools/folder, whether it's a web search module, calculator, or file reader. This means you can add or modify capabilities without touching core code. When all agents complete their tasks, a synthesis agent merges their findings into one comprehensive answer. The tool thus delivers cross-validated, multi-perspective insights in a single cohesive output, offering far richer context than a solo AI response. On top of that, Make It Heavy offers a single agent mode for simpler tasks. It runs one agent with full tool access, ideal for faster or lighter queries. As you scale up, switch to the full multi-agent orchestration for heavyweight analysis. Plus, it's built to work with the OpenRouter API, so setup is streamlined and modern, and the code base is clean, Python native, MCP licensed for flexible use. To sum up, Make It Heavy is unique because it transforms ordinary AI queries into deep, multi-threaded, synthesized intelligence by deploying parallel agents, dynamic questioning, live orchestration, and plug-and-play tool support. Perfect for creators wanting smarter, richer AI answers without reinventing multi-agent orchestration from scratch. Project number 6, MCP-CLI-HOST. Unified CLI host for AI agents via the Model Context Protocol. Let's talk about what makes MCP-CLI-HOST truly special. It's a Python-based command line interface tool created by Vincent-Pli that acts as a host for large language models like Claude, OpenAI, Gemini, and Llama, bridging them to external tools using the Model Context Protocol MCP. What sets it apart is how it creates a consistent, unified CLI interface across multiple LLM providers. So regardless of the AI model you're chatting with, the commands look and feel the same. One standout feature is its support for multiple concurrent MCP servers. That means you can connect a single CLI host to different tool providers like GitHub, Git, Postgres, Stripe servers at the same time. Your AI assistant can dynamically discover these tools and call them during conversations completely automatically. The CLI handles dynamic tool discovery, loading tools as the MCP servers make them available, no manual configuration needed. It also offers configurable transport and server options. You can choose between HTTP and standard input-output transport, set custom server arguments, message history limits, and monitoring features like error tracing or logging. This flexibility gives you control over how your agent interacts with tools and maintains safety and observability. What really shines in a platform like YouTube is that MCP-CLI-HOST makes agents feel like powerful terminal sidekicks. You get everything in one place: chat interface, tool calling, history management, and error monitoring. And because it works via MCP, an open vendor-agnostic standard adopted by Anthropic, OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and others, it's also future-proof and interoperable. All in all, MCP-CLI-HOST is unique because it delivers a consistent, model-agnostic CLI experience for AI developers and enthusiasts. It makes interacting with AI tools seamless, scalable, and secure, all from your terminal. Project number 7, Witsy, Desktop AI Assistant, Universal MCP Client. We're spotlighting Witsy, a desktop AI assistant that shines as a truly universal MCP Model Context Protocol client. What makes Witsy unique is its BYOK approach, bring your own keys, which means it doesn't lock you into any specific AI provider. You supply the API keys like OpenAI, Google Gemini, Anthropic, xAI, MetaLlama, Mistral, Grok, DeepSeek, Azure OpenAI, and more, or run supported models locally via Llama, and Witsy adapts seamlessly. Unlike other AI apps tied to single-vendor ecosystems, Witsy supports virtually any LLM, making it one of the very few universal MCP clients out there. But that's just scratching the surface. Witsy packs in a host of powerful features. Chat completion with vision models, so you can describe images, text-to-image and video, image-to-video transformations, and built-in plugins for LLM extensions like running Python code or performing web searches. It also includes a smart prompt anywhere tool, triggered via a keyboard shortcut that lets you type in a prompt that Witsy injects into any application you're using. There's also integration for long-term memory, RAG retrieval augmented generation, to chat with your local documents, real-time voice mode chat, and rich transcription and summarization across formats. Another standout is its multimedia support. You can generate images and videos, use text-to-speech and speech-to-text across many providers, and even chat directly with files on your system or built-in knowledge repositories, all under an Apache 2.0 license and designed to run natively on major platforms, macOS, Windows, Linux, with sleek UI. In short, Witsy stands out because it gives creators full flexibility and full control over which AI models to use, while offering a rich, feature-packed desktop assistant experience. It's the ultimate choice if you want a one-stop AI toolkit without being tied to any single platform. Project number 8, tester-mcp-client, interactive chat interface for testing MCP servers over SSE. Today's spotlight is on tester-mcp-client, a clever tool built by Apify that's designed to make testing Model Context Protocol MCP servers incredibly easy. What sets this tool apart is its real-time chat-style interface that connects to MCP servers using server-sent events, SSE, or HTTP streamable transport, so you can see exactly how your AI agent is interacting with tools step by step. What makes it truly unique is it's a standalone actor that launches a live chat UI in your browser without any complex setup. Just run the actor, and the logs give you a dynamic URL where you can type queries, watch tool calls unfold, and see results immediately. It's perfect for testing interactions between LLMs and external tools like Apify actors. Under the hood, the tester-mcp client is smart. It connects to any MCP server securely using your API token or OAuth, manages the streaming protocol, and dynamically chooses the right tools based on the conversation context. Plus, it supports secure connections, handles authorization headers, and strictly sticks to the MCP spec. That means no guesswork, just clean, reproducible testing. Another standout, the pricing is flexible. It uses a pay-per-event model where you only pay for actor start, runtime, and queries answered if you use the built-in LLM. Run it with your own LLM provider, you only pay minimal compute costs. On Apify's free tier, you can run this for 80 hours per month, more than enough to stress test your MCP server thoroughly. To sum up, tester-mcp-client is unique because it bridges the gap between your AI agent and external tools through an intuitive live chat interface powered by SSE. It lets you test everything in real time with low-cost, secure configuration and zero friction, ideal for demoing, debugging, and perfecting your MCP-powered workflows. Project number 9, Nerve, the Simple Agent Development Kit. We're diving into Nerve, a sleek and powerful agent development kit by EvilSocket that makes building LLM-powered agents incredibly simple. What's truly unique about Nerve is how it lets you define agents without writing any code using clean declarative YAML files that specify the system prompt, task logic, tools, and variables all in one place. Another standout feature is Nerve's native support for the Model Context Protocol MCP, and it's the first framework that allows you to define an MCP server in YAML and even behave as both MCP client and server. This opens up powerful use cases like multi-agent orchestration or deeply integrated tool ecosystems. You don't just get agents, you get agent network. Need labeled tools? Nerve ships with a library of built-in tools ranging from shell commands to Python functions or remote services. Everything is typed and annotated, so agents can safely call and use these tools in your workflows. One more big advantage, evaluation mode. You can create test cases in YAML or structured formats like Parquet, run them reproducibly, track progress and regressions, and log structured outputs. It's a great fit for production workflows needing auditability and test coverage. Also, Nerve is LLM agnostic. Built on LightLM, it supports OpenAI, Anthropic, Ollama, and many others out of the box. Just switch providers with a flag or environment variable. And for more advanced automations, you can compose agents into workflows, chaining them step by step with shared context, a powerful but easy-to-manage pipeline system. In summary, Nerve stands out by combining zero-code agent definition, MCP native orchestration, built-in typed tools, evaluation and reproducibility, multi-agent workflows, and broad model support. If you want to build smart, reproducible agent-based automations with minimal friction, Nerve is one of the most elegant tools out there. Project number 10, ARGO, AI agent platform for local autonomous intelligence. We're exploring ARGO, an open-source AI agent client that brings powerful, customizable assistant capabilities right to your desktop. What truly makes ARGO unique is its local-first design, combined with support for one-click model downloads, flexible integrations, and a self-evolving architecture designed for privacy and autonomy. First, ARGO champions privacy above all. All your data, including knowledge bases, stays local, offline by default, without ever depending strictly on cloud services. You can run it on Windows, macOS, or Docker-based Linux, and it works seamlessly whether you're offline or connected. Next, ARGO simplifies AI model access. With a one-click integration via Ollama and support for Hugging Face GGUF and closed-source APIs like OpenAI, Claude, or DeepSeek, switching between local and API models is smooth and totally under your control, and avoids vendor lock-in. Arguably, ARGO's standout feature is its agentic task engine. It can autonomously plan tasks, collaborate across multiple agents, call external tools, perform multi-stage workflows, self-reflect to correct mistakes, and deliver structured reports. Whether you need a travel planner, research assistant, or industry analyst, ARGO lets you create customized AI agents by simply describing your needs. ARGO also includes a built-in RAG knowledge base engine that parses PDFs, spreadsheets, web pages, and syncs local folders dynamically. It enables traceable, reliable responses and an intelligent decomposition of queries using your own private documents. To top it off, ARGO comes with a toolkit of built-in helpers, web crawlers, browser control, file management, and supports MCP protocol and custom plugins, so you can extend it however you like. In summary, ARGO stands apart because it delivers self-sufficient AI assistants that are fully configurable, privacy-preserving, and capable of autonomous reasoning and execution, all running locally on your machine. Whether you're a researcher, creator, or power user, ARGO redefines what it means to own your AI experience. What an incredible journey through the world of open-source AI agents. We've seen how projects like N8 N2 MCP seamlessly bridge no-code automation with AI, how Make It Heavy delivers deep, multi-threaded intelligence, and how Witsy provides a universal desktop AI assistant, and more. If you're excited by these advancements, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which project you're most eager to try.